this video I'm going to cover the layer slider WP. This is for the main slider that appears on the home page. So this area right here without the scroll. So basically all these slides, that the 4 slides we have at the moment for the courses, it's all created dynamically via layer slider WP plugin. So let's say I click this. So this is the main screen that I'll see. Now I'm not looking at all these other features and stuff. Here are the 2 slides that we have. So right now we have got main page and main page copy. Now on the main page we are using, on the home page we are using the main page slider. So we have to edit this one. I'll just give all the details of how to add, edit and create new slides. So once I'm into the slide, there are a slider, I can see that there are 4 slides here. Now I've tried to create it as simple as possible. So what I've done is I've just used one image as the background. I've created another image to be used for the content, and I've created a CSS style that fixes it up where getting at the right position. So let's say I want to create a new slide. Okay, now this new slide is actually blank. Now this leafy background is basically the background of the main slider itself. So that's why you can see this, that's why you can see it there. So this is the background of the slider. So if I want to add a background for this slide, I have to go and click here. So so when I click here, I'll get the option to either upload file, or I can just choose some old file from the media library. So let's say this is the media library. Some of these pictures are high resolution, good for the background. So I'll just choose one of these. Let's say I choose this one. Okay, so when I insert it, that image is actually very big, so it's kind of not fitting in right. Let's say I choose this one. So this forms the background, the main background of the image. Now this is not big enough, so I'll have to actually sometimes even create a wallpaper that is of 1920 width and around 600-700 height. So this is the background for us over here. Now the objects that are added on top of this are layers. So actually for our stuff we only need one layer, but you can also add new layers here. So the one layer that you want, it can be of text, it can be any HTML video or audio, it can be any dynamic content from the post. So this one is just image. What we want is an image. So let's say image and click there. Now again I can upload a new file, or I can just use the old files. I have provided the template for to be used for these kind of text, for the course text. So let's say I choose this one, but this is also yellow. Let me choose something like this. So I choose Al-Baraqa, and it gets inserted over here. Now to align Al-Baraqa right, what I have to do is I have to align the left edge with the edge of the whole slider. To make it simple, I've done this. So let's say if you save it like this, what will happen is, and of course you have to make sure that you have to make sure you add the ID. So I have not added the ID, so I'll show you what happens if I don't add the ID first, so that the purpose of the class is understood. So this is the first slide. We just created the last slide. So what happens is the last slide starts to align itself with the edge of the page, but we don't want this. So what we do is we copy this slide head, the ID, and we paste it here. So every slide that we create, we need to use slide underscore head as the ID. So I refresh this page, and I'll be able to see the slide will come exactly with alignment with the page. So okay, other thing that I need to choose is the animation that I have chosen for the page. Transition transition. Now I'm using slide from top for, so I select all and slide from left. So I just choose this one and I save it. So this is one uniform effect that I have chosen for all the slides. If you check the transition, this is slide from top is the one. So basically this is how, I mean, it's as easy as this. So you just need a background image, you need an overlay image for the course, and that's it. You can create new slides. Yeah, so that's about it.